Thank you for joining in and good morning. It's morning time when I'm filming this. I decided to film this one outside because it was somewhat cooler this morning, and I'm going to say a few words here in the beginning, but the majority of this video is a nice relaxing ASMR video. So I actually won this set off of Instagram, and I thought I would just share it here on my YouTube channel. I'm just going to do some swatches. So this is the Paul Rubens macaroon set of the oil pastels. And it just comes with this pamphlet here. There's some colors in there from their other sets. And there's a nice wide variety of colors there. I'll show a quick top view. The box is really nice that it comes in. With this set, they actually include 2 fluorescent colors, and there's 2 metallic, like glittery colors as well. There's a gold and a silver. But I'm going to go through some swatches here with the nice ASMR, and then in the end, I'm going to share a few thoughts, and I have some actual artwork that you can see as well. There are 24 different colors in this set, and they do blend really well together. That's why I'm showing a little strip here down bottom. There you go. So, and it's cool because you could even make your own colors, like the blue and that yellow created a green in the middle, and then the same thing with the purple color on the end there. And here I'm just showing a top view. You can see those two fluorescents there, and then the gold and the silver, along with all the other colors. Overall, I really enjoyed testing out these oil pastels. They are very creamy. There's a nice wide variety of fun colors to use. These colors are somewhat more unique. The only thing that I will say is that I was a little surprised that there wasn't a white included. That was about the only thing. And that is it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next time. I have more reviews coming. I have some watercolor brushes coming in the mail too.